once again. So after our today's maths class and sketching class, we'll begin with our today's EVS class. And in EVS, we study about our environment, about our surroundings. So today, ma'am is going to teach you how to identify black color with the help of some objects, some pictures which are all black in color. So the very first example which we always see every day. What are these? Hair. So you all have hair. What's the color of our hair? Black in color. Naturally we have black color hair, isn't it? Not only hair, can you see the eyeballs? Balls hai hamari eyes mein? Most of us have them black in color. Then let's see some more examples here. You must have seen tires, isn't it? Tires dekhe honge aapne. Every vehicle that runs on the road is having tires, wheels to move. So whenever you will see all these tires, chahe wo car hai, it's a bike, cycle, truck or lorry or whatever, bus, XYZ, any vehicle, the tires are always black in color, isn't it? Papa ki car hai, aapki bicycle hai, whatever you have, all the tires, they are black in color. Then I just told you, hair we have black in color. Your school uniform shoes which you wear to school, they are black in color, isn't it? Then we have umbrellas. Umbrellas are mostly black in color. जो मम्मा पापा use करते हैं, most of the time those umbrellas, they are black in color. Then I told you your shoes or boots that we wear, they are black in color. Then we have our computer or you can say desktop, mouse that we use with it, your laptops, mobiles, most of these electronic items are also black in color, isn't it? एक चीज है, whenever you are walking outside, अब अगर आप दिन में walk कर रहे हो, when it is sun, तो आपकी shadow बनती है, like आपकी परछाई. So if you are walking in the sun, तो sun जिस साइड से होता है उसकी opposite side पे एक shadow, एक आपकी परछाई बनती है. That shadow is always black in color. And if it is night outside, so what's the color of the sky? Again, the sky is black. जब sky black हो जाता है, we always say it's night, isn't it? और night में जब हम अपनी घर में lights on करते हैं, तो उस light से जो shadow बनता है, that shadow is always black in color. So not only these, there are many more examples of black color objects which I am going to show you one by one in pictures and I will be explaining. And a very good example I have here in class. This is our chalk box. Again, this chalk box is black in color. What's the color here? It's black. Now, let's see different pictures of the objects that are black in color and identify. Let's move. Great. So class, now can you see the screen? The screen is showing you black color. Yes, the whole part of the screen, what you can see is all black in color. Now, I am going to show you some objects that are black in color. Let's see them all. Can you see these pictures? What pictures they are? Let's see them one by one. Here we have a boy wearing black clothes and holding black color. Then there is a picture of a bat. It's not a cricket bat, It's an insect bat. They fly at night in the sky. Then we have a tire. Can you see this tire? These are the ones which are used in vehicles, which help them to move. Then the next picture we have is of a spider. You all must have seen spider at home. So these spider, they are black in color. Wow! Meow! So you just have learnt about this animal with letter C. Who is it? It's a cat. Cat is black in color. Now we have a very beautiful animal here. We call it a penguin. Penguins, they are white and black in color. आपको जो ये part दिख रहा है, this is white and rest of the body is black in color and they are always found in snowy regions. Clear? Again, so this is the image of one bat and here is one more bat. Can you see that? Now what's this? It's a hat. Which is hat? Jadugarni ki topi. Again, that is black in color. I told you about an umbrella. Can you see this umbrella? This umbrella is black in color. Then we have a pot of gold. Some gold coins are in it and this pot is black in color. Can you see the cat again? Here we have a belly. This belly is again black in color. Can you see the boots which are worn by this witch? ये जादूगरनी ने जो boots पहने हैं, these boots are black in color. Now class, you all use a pencil to write, isn't it? So, when you write with that pencil, what color comes? Black, isn't it? We have a crow. A thirsty crow, black in color. Mustaches. आपने देखा होगा घर में पापा, दादू, अंकल या घर पे भी नहीं तो somewhere out जो men होते हैं they have mustaches जिनको हम मूंछ कहते हैं. So the mustaches and beard, दाढ़ी, they are always black in color. We have hat, black in color. Goggles we have. So what are goggles? The one that protect our eyes from sun rays. So goggles are black in color, isn't it? Then we have some different insects. You can see here, they all are black in color. One thing which I would like to share with you all is class, every day you watch the videos which ma'am is teaching. I draw pictures on board, you identify them. Have you ever taken the care? What is the color of your board? Yes, your board on which we learn so many things. That's black in color. Isn't it amazing? So class, it's time for you all to revise about this color and some examples related to it. One thing more what you can do is try to see around and find at least 5 objects near you that are black in color. Understood all? Hope you have understood well. Keep revising, keep learning. Bye all. Take care.